Hola, it's Gabi here for Crafty Gabi, and today I'm going to make the cards in front of you because they are hand cross stitch and they take a little bit. They are time consuming, but they are so most relaxing to do. You can hear music or um, hear a TV series or a movie while you're stitching. I'm just going to show how I decorate them and finish them. The patterns are going to be in my blog. You can go there and download the patterns. They are very easy to follow. I just make several different cards related to Valentine. And I just going to cut a little bit of the frame. I use a die cut from Hero Arts Infinity Dies, the rectangles. I think I used the from the bigger to the smaller. I used the fourth one um, to cut the a little bit of the frame. I don't want the frame to be so big. And also I use from MFT this die cut that is a frame and it's called scallop edge frame. I'm going to decorate the outside all the same with these frames in different colors. As you see before, I show all the colors that I cut. I'm just showing here samples that you can put the background in white or in pink. I choose to do it in white. I like them to be simple and that the way the focus is going to be on the stitching. The stitching have too much word that is good if you don't have so many colors in the background. That way don't steal the stitching from to be the center of the attention of the card. As you see, I am not gluing any of these cards. For all of them I'm using double-sided stick tape in the back. I think I try fabric glue and glossy accents and different medias to glue them to the card base, and I see as result the double-sided stick tape is the best way to do it. Also, when you cut the frame a little bit smaller, when you pass it through the machine, the stitch get a little bit flat, and it's better for glue on the card base. As you see here, for this one, I just decide the white background and the pink scallop frame. And I'm going to do this in all the cards. I don't going to show you all of the cards that I glue, just in the last part when I'm decorating them. For this one, I'm going to show you a little bit because I glue the double-sided stick tape in the back, and because I have these sticky holes, I just take an advantage and I'm going to play with a little bit of glitter. It was a mess, but when you see the result, it was worth. I did like it. Maybe you can go dot by dot with glitter pen or something like that. I just tried this to try a different scene, sorry. And for this one, I tried the red one, I didn't like it, and I tried the purple one, and that's the one I choose. For this card, I'm going to also cut a sentiments. I think hearts. As you see the one before, I didn't remember what I put. I think it was red. And for this one and the next one, I put the scallop frame in pink. This one was my favorite. This one, I put a background like a wallpaper, stuff like that. You will see all in the patterns that I'm going to leave in my blog. Now I'm going to decorate them. For this one, I called the TLC, Tender Loving Care, from me to you, or from you to me, something like that. I don't remember right now. I don't have the card in front of me right now, I'm sorry. And I put hearts, glitter hearts around, and I cut this sentiment with the um, shot, uh, just dropping hearts everywhere. You can give this card to a person that is your Valentine, or the person that you love and he don't feel well for tomorrow. Hopefully everybody's going to feel good tomorrow. After I finish gluing this, I just glue the glitter hearts around, and this card is finished. You don't have to do too much. Like I say, the stitching takes a lot of time and is so pretty and looks so good that you don't want to do too much to the cards, because you want the center of the attention to be the stitching. This card is done. And now for this one, I just glue little hearts in the bottom. These are clay hearts, mini clay hearts, and I glue some of them in the bottom of like the table, for saying that way, and in a messy way, plus a little jewel inside the bottle. For this one, I just add a little sentiments in the middle that say "Love you always." And the next one was the most elaborated that I did. I just glue this and heart because say be mine. I know it has to stay for the B pawn. It has to say V with double E, but I just take advantage of say be mine and just find this B in my stash, and I just add into this card with some paper flowers. Around. I also decorate the back of the car with some stray stitches because I didn't want all the cars to be just in the back. These hearts are like those talking candy hearts that people give in Valentine dates. This one that say the cutie pie, because I did so much in the background of the car that I just glued two hearts to the eyes of the car in the cutie pie, one heart for each eye in the car, and that's it for this one. In the next car, I just add the same clay hearts all around the car, plus a sentiment stamp in red. For this one, that will be it. I glue them with glossy accent in this case. When it's a lot of flaws like the stitching, I glue them with fabric glue. In this case that I'm gluing right now is with fabric glue, and just press the heart a little bit hard to the fabric, and they stay put. It's a very nice fabric glue. I think it's called tacky glue or no more stitching, something like that. I really don't remember right now. And this is it. This is all the cards. When you finish your stitching, just decorating the cards really fast, and you have a card done in no time. Just the stitches that take a little bit longer. That's it. Both, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you liked them. Until next card, goodbye.